guys, welcome to another Form Titan one-on-one video on how to generate auto PDF and attach it to files in Salesforce. Now, what is an auto PDF? And auto PDF is simply taking a screenshot of the form that you've currently filled in. Very simple to do. If you have static data that you want to display in a PDF, capturing it in a screenshot of a filled form is the easiest way to do it, and auto PDF is how you do it, and it's automatic compared to other manual ones, which we'll show you later. So let's get started. Let me show you how the auto PDF is set up. First of all, what we need to do is configure our form. And this form is very simple. What we'll do is we'll take the first name, last name, email, mobile, signature, submit. And then what will happen is that once the candidate is created, it will attach it into their file section. Very simple. So let's get started. We'll go into our push. We'll add object. And we'll say, you know what? We want to insert it into our contact. Let's click contact. Action is going to be create. Let's map our fields. Then we bring the form fields here. We are going to say first name equals first name. Last name equals last name. Email equals email, mobile equals mobile, and we don't need to map signatures for anything at the moment. Click apply and finish, and that's done. Now we've done that, but that's just simply going to create the record. But how do we actually create the auto PDF of that record and attach it to files? Let me show you how that's done. What you will need to do is click the add child option by the plus, and now we can add another object. Now this object is going to be files, and files in Salesforce are called content version right there. And then our action is going to be create. Now we have to simply go and map our fields. Okay, so we've got a couple of things we want to map here, and the first one is title. What you want to do is you can basically give it any name you like, and I'm just going to choose a custom one, and I'm just going to call it registration PDF. Very simple. There are several options available based on. You can even put submission date plus the name plus the submission date. You can put email, whatever you like. In this instance, I'm just going to call it registration PDF. Click apply. Once you've done that, the next is the version data. And our version data is simply asking, well, what do you want to attach? And in this case, we are just going to say auto PDF. There, that's our auto PDF. Next is going to be our publish location. At this point, it's going to say, well, where are you going to publish it? By the way, this should be automatically set up because this is a child of the contact. So it's decided that it's a contact and it's going to use our contact ID. Let's look at all our mapped fields. So we've mapped all three fields, which is we've given it a title, we've selected what type of version data, which is going to be auto PDF. Our publish location, which has already been decided, is contact. Click apply and finish. Click save. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go under document generation, click auto PDF and click configure. And once you've clicked configure, click enable auto PDF mapping. And then you've got a couple of options here, which are auto fit and landscape. And what I'm going to do is enable auto PDF mapping, and then I'm going to say, you know what, just use an auto fit. Just think whatever the best fit is, auto fit it for me. Click apply. Now let's go ahead and test. Click preview. We are going to say Joe blogs. Give him a fake email. Titan.com. Give him a random mobile address. And let's go ahead and sign this. Done. And now let's go ahead and click submit. Once we've done that, the form is now submitted, and I'm going to show you how this looks like in Salesforce. So we'll go back in our form, and we'll go under show all options, Salesforce integration, you will click to view integration logs, and let's go and have a look. As you can see, it's now created two entries, the content version and the contact create. I'm going to click the contact create, which is going to be Joe Blogs, which is what we just created. There you go, and there's a PDF. As you can see, it's got a custom title that we specified, registration PDF. Click here, and there you have it. It's pulled through our PDF into, it's pulled through our form into a PDF, and that's how you do it. It's got the Joe, it's got the signature. This is a very, very cool little feature. If you have just static data and you haven't got any conditioning, and you can do it this way. That's how you do it, and that's how you attach it to your files. Thank you for watching.